Hello guys, welcome to another chapter on correlation and regression analysis. So today we are going to look at how to find correlation in SPSS and how to estimate the regression analysis among many variables. So I have imported this data here, and this data set has dependent and independent variables. We have smoker, which is dependent on these independent variables. So let's begin. So we are going to start with finding correlation. So we go to analyze, then correlate, then we go to bivariate. So we are going to select the variables that we want to find the relationship and send them to the variable tab. So height, smoker, weight, annual income, age. We are going to all send them there. Then we are going to go to the options tab, then we select mean and standard deviation, then continue, then to style. Of course we don't need that. So we are going to do Pearson and Spearman correlation. It is one two-tailed correlation. Then we click OK. So the SPSS software will provide an output for the non-parametric correlation. As you can see here, we can see the descriptive statistics, the mean, standard deviation for all those variables. Then we can see the correlation, the Pearson correlation between education and smoker. We can see 0.173. Education and height, we can see is negative 0.04. So 0 means there is no correlation. For example, here height and smoker, it is 0.00. So it means there is no correlation between a person who is a smoker and their height. The same with this annual income and education level. Annual income, no, this is significant figure. This is significant figure, but for this is correlation between smoker and height. So we can also see the significant figure. Yeah. Also we can see negative correlation between weight and education level. So it means if the weight of a person increases, then their education level, it means they have a small education level. For example, they are in primary or secondary. So the higher the education level, the lower the weight. Non-parametric correlation is also shown here. That is Spearman non-parametric. So we can see here between education level and smoker. Yes, we can also see the significant figures. So we have done the correlation. How to interpret this? 1.000 means there is a very high correlation between education level and education level. So education level and smoker is 0.173, which is a small relationship between the two. dependent and independent variables. What about the smoker and education level? Is still the same. Here and here they are still the same answer. We can also see negative correlation between weight and education, annual income, and education level. We can see that it has a very high correlation between annual income and education level. There is a very high correlation of 0.614. The significance also is 0.000, which is less than the p-value. As you can see here, the significance at 0.05 level for two-tailed. The significance at 0.01 level for two-tailed. So now let's perform the analysis for multiple linear regression. It's not logistics, so it is multiple linear regression. So our dependent variable here is smoker. We want to the smoker is the dependent variable, so we want to look at how education level, annual income, weight, height affects or causes someone to be a smoker, or which of these independent variable highly affect or cause someone to become a smoker. So the dependent variable is smoker, and the independent variable, we are going to push them. We are going to push the independent variable. We are going to push them there, so we can see it has refused because these two or these three, they are not scale. So we can just go here and check. Yes, we can just go here and check the education level is nominal. Employed, yeah, we cannot change that. So then now we can now perform the analysis here. So we were trying to send this. We are trying to send them there. Then we are going to check the confidence interval, model fit. Then we check the Dupin-Watson. Then we go to plots. I think we are going to send that there. Then we send that there. Histogram, the normal probability. Then continue. Yeah, I think there's nothing to check here. Just continue. Then options, I think is correct. I think that is correct. Cancel. Then we are going to click on OK. Then the SPSS now will perform the multilinear regression. So as you can see here, the output here, regression, and you can see here the regression, and you can see the steps that are taken to perform the regression. So we can just go down. Coefficients table here, as you can see, and standardized B, coefficient standard error, we can look at it there. So at 95. So welcome back, guys. Yes, welcome back, guys. So we were looking at this coefficients table after performing multi-regression analysis. So we can see the t-test there, the significance. This is 0.400. This is significant. H is the only one which is significant. C is, it is less than 0.05. The rest are not significant. If we can look at the coefficients table here, we can see that this one has a negative effect on the dependent, has a positive, has a positive, has a positive, has a positive. So we can move to the residual. The residual shows the minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation. It has drawn an histogram there to show normality of that data. It has also drawn a normal PP plot of regression and standardized residues. As you can see, they are lying on this line of fit. So you can go, you can see the scatter plots, how that data is distributed. So we can see there. So thank you guys for watching. Next time we are going to look at how to perform other complex analysis in SPSS. Thank you.